Good morning, Smudge. Good morning, Smudgy. Are you here for breakfast? Whoops, sorry. Here. Smudgy the gray squirrel lives in my tree in my backyard. He comes every morning, knocks on the door. I give him peanuts or whatever we have, and then he makes his way back into his tree, or he buries the nuts that we give him. You can see he's been eating them here on the porch, and there he goes. Today's story is called Squirrel's Family Tree by Beth, Ferry, illustrated by A.N. Kang. Squirrel gathers acorn seeds, sturdy little oak nut seeds, anticipating future needs. She gathers acorn seeds. Squirrel hoards her acorn seeds, scatter hoards the nut brown beads, buries them in dirt and weeds, those hardy acorn seeds. Squirrel stores them in a cache. A cache is just an acorn stash. Watch the squirrel dart and dash and fill each hidden cache. Watch her also eat a lot. She eats some acorns on the spot. She nibbles with a plan and plot to gobble quite a lot. In a snap, white winter comes. Snow falls down and cold wind numbs. Squirrel eats up all the crumbs as winter swiftly comes. Squirrel does not hibernate. She'll snuggle down and sleep in late, but always she'll anticipate the taste of something great. And great describes those acorn seeds, those yummy seeds her tummy needs. Watch her hunt those hidden seeds on which she plans to feed. But many seeds she cannot locate. Her tummy will just have to wait, and those seeds might just germinate if found a bit too late. Snowflakes melt and springtime sun shines down warmth on everyone, and something magic has begun as winter's rain is done. Squirrel sees a tiny sprout from acorn shell. A sprout pops out. Squirrel knows without a doubt this sprout will soon branch out. Soon the sprout is not so small. A sapling grows up big and tall. So many awesome things start small. That's in nature, after all. Squirrel wants to make a nest, a comfy oak leaf twig-tight nest. Moss and grass make it the best and softest place to rest. She settles in all cozily and quickly has a family. And what a sight it is to see our squirrel's family tree. Squirrels come and squirrels grow, scatter hoarding to and fro, making sure that oak trees grow and grow and grow. Without the oak tree, there are no seeds that squirrels love and squirrels need. There's much less chance that they will succeed without the acorn seed. But squirrels also help the tree by planting seeds haphazardly. Squirrels are the heart and key to oak trees yet to be. The acorn cycle knows no end, from seed to oak to seed again, and trees and squirrels will be friends until the very end. So if the squirrels in the forest help regenerate the forest, I wonder, will Smudgy give me peanut plants this spring? I hope so. I'll be looking for them. See you next time at Story Corner.